that time again, innit? What's going on, everyone? I'm back today with another unboxing video. As you can see, man, it's kind of dripped out, you know. I've got a nice silk do-rag on with a Levi jacket. Yeah, I'm not playing about today, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, hit that like button, click subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think of the video, innit? Without further ado, let's get into it. So, maybe a bit late with these ones, yeah? But today we got a new pair of Yeezys. I mean, I wouldn't call them new, but they're new, you know what I'm saying? Hold on. These joints are icy. So today we've got the Yeezy 350, well, the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 carbons.
So in the box, obviously you get the crest, and you get the old lace, because obviously, if you can see, hold on. So when I say old laces, I mean like the normal V2 laces, like come like a pair of Zebras or something.
So yeah, in the box, you get the old pair of laces, because if you can see here, these shoes come with the new lace system. Why you pick it down for? Pull yourself up, G. Yeah, new lace system there, as you can see. I'll do a nice close up after. But yeah, now honestly, I think these are a very clean sneaker in general. So we'll leave those laces there. But as you can see, obviously, put this one to the side. We have got the well, obviously it's not translucent, but you know, semi-translucent black stripe. You know, that's on all V2s. You see the prime knit upper, gum sole, semi-translucent sole, boost underneath. You know, always standard. Got your tags. On some of the boxes, you'll also see a name change, like a duplicate sticker for some of them, because obviously retailers already had them, but the name was Azrael, and then they had to make their own label to stick over to change the name to Carbon, which was very last minute. That's the sneaker. Obviously, I want to do a close up as well. But you know what? I think these are nice neutral colorway. Go with a lot of things. The sole is very clean as well. Yeah, to be honest, these are maybe one of my favorite V2s for this year. Saw them, I'm glad I got them. Some people complain about a little bump on the front of the toe. It's literally the smallest of bumps, like you can see it here, ever so slightly. Now this is, it's not a faulty pair or anything. This is just the way it's been manufactured. So if your pair does have this small, very small, but discriminately noticeable, I don't even know if that's a real word, discriminately. D-E-S-C-R-I. D-E-S-C-R-I M-I-N-U-T-E-L-Y. Come on, give it. Alright, cool. I don't know. But obviously, yeah, so I'm not gonna keep you guys here forever. We're gonna do.
Oi, so now look at the quality. I'm sorry that everything seems to be like flashing. I don't know what's going on here. Good detailing. Let's see if you can get nice. Yeah, look at that. Oh my days. I think there's actually a video of these, of like the upper, the prime knit being made. Oh my god. So, yep, as you can see, inside is like a nice teal blue branding there. You can see the inners. Also, let me show you the, obviously that's the tag as well. If people want to do like a legit check or something, you know, you can compare your tag to this tag. This is how it should look. This is how the new lace system appears on the front. I don't actually know how you test it, like not how you test it, but how you sort that out yourself. But obviously, if you cut it or whatever, if you want to change it, but it's all there. Translucent free and reflective free stripes inside. No heel tab this time though, but nice semi-translucent gum sole. As you can see here, Boost technology, Boost, and this is, you know, they use this to legit check these 3 lines that appear throughout the Boost sole, so you can see it there. But yeah,
close up, and then we'll wrap it up. But yeah, so obviously guys, let me not talk too much. You've already done the talking. I don't know how I've done the spelling. We'll see at the end when I edit it. But yeah, these are the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 carbons right here. If you like them, as I said earlier at the start of the video, drop me a like, click that subscribe for more, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see, because obviously I'm really trying to do this, as I told you in previous videos. Channel's going through a refresh right now, and I need everyone's support really, truly. But if you could do that for me, it's all love, you get more, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, carbons, hard shoe. What more can I say? I'm gonna leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. It's been Nova, and I'm out.